How to fix cursor moving randomly on its own in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow these steps to fix the issue. First of all, uninstall the device driver and restart your computer. For this, right click on Start, select Device Manager. On the Device Manager, find Mice and other pointing devices and expand it by clicking on this arrow. Right click on the HID compliant mouse and select Uninstall device. Click on Uninstall. If any extra HID compliant mouse is also showing under Mice and other pointing devices, then uninstall this device too. Right click and install device. Then restart your computer. During restarting, the mouse will be reinstalled automatically, so nothing to worry about. If the issue still persists, then change touchpad sensitivity settings. Click on Start, go to Settings, click on Bluetooth and Devices, go down and click on Touchpad. Click on Tabs to expand it. Change the touchpad sensitivity. If most sensitive is selected here, then click on this drop down and select low sensitivity or medium sensitivity and check if the issue is fixed. You can make change in these settings one by one and check if the issue is fixed. Make changes in gestures and adjust it to see if it works and the problem is solved. Click on 3-finger gestures. You can change the settings from here. Change the settings by reshuffling one by one. In the same way, you can change 4-finger gesture settings and check if the issue is fixed. The gestures trigger accidental inputs, so make changes in the gestures. Apart from this, you can do something with hardware to fix the issue. Simply wipe the touchpad to remove moisture, dust or a static buildup that can cause ghost touches. If anything doesn't work, you can click on Start, go to Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, click on Touchpad and turn off touchpad. Then use an external mouse. Now the cursor should behave normally. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.